Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudinku Foodies. Today we are going to make some very easy, healthy and super yummy oatmeal recipes. These quick and easy oat bowls are perfect for winters. They are warm, comforting and packed with flavors. Plus you can customize these recipes, add your choice of fruits and flavors and modify them to your taste and needs. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So the first oatmeal is apple carrot. Into a bowl we'll add 1 large grated carrot, 1 medium-sized grated apple, half cup oats, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half cup water, and half cup milk. We'll give it a good mix. And now we'll microwave it for 2 minutes. This oatmeal is perfectly cooked. Let's add some toppings to it. I'm adding blueberries. You can add any fruits of your choice. Now we'll add some desiccated coconut. It adds a nice flavor to this recipe and makes it even more tasty. Now for the sweetness, I am adding honey. You can add maple syrup or any other sweetener of your choice. And the carrot apple oatmeal is ready to enjoy. The next recipe is berry oatmeal. Into a microwave safe bowl, we'll add half cup blueberries and using a fork, we'll crush them lightly. Now we'll add half cup oats, half teaspoon vanilla extract, half cup water and half cup milk. Give it a good mix and microwave for 2 minutes. Now we'll add the toppings. I'm adding strawberries. Feel free to replace strawberries with your choice of fruits. I'm also adding some flaked almonds. You can add nuts, nut butter or seeds that you like. Now we'll add some honey for the sweetness. And the berry oatmeal is ready to enjoy. Our next recipe is strawberry chocolate. Into a bowl, we'll add around 3/4 cup roughly chopped strawberries and using a fork, we'll crush them lightly. Now we'll add half cup oats, 1 teaspoon unsweetened cocoa powder, half cup water and half cup milk. Give it a good mix and microwave for 2 minutes. Now for the toppings, I am adding banana. I think banana goes really well with chocolate. Also adding some chopped walnuts, honey for the sweetness. And there you go, the strawberry chocolate oatmeal is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you are looking for an easy healthy breakfast recipe, give these oat bowls a try and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.